My whole clique in all black, we all tucks. Tell my ex bitch give me space. Elon Musk, ayy, streams got my Q4 looking nice. My VR clutch, acting like you seen this right here. You big all sus, yeah. I just doubled up on crypto. I just doubled down on the new vest. Now my chair looking like 2 checks. Type of money made me want a 2-step. Who next? This week I be on the moon next. Stock going up like 2x. That's a fast flip like suplex. 2 really stepping like a duplex. You bet never lose change, but I do flex on it. All black with you, my coupe on Onyx. And I get brain like I'm hooked on phonics. Can't get a meaning cause I'm booked till August. And I look like a jet, never switch up. It's evident I gotta pick up where the best left off. And the best dressed dog leave a mess when I step in this bitch, dog. My whole clique in all black, we all tucks. Tell my ex bitch give me space. Elon Musk, ayy, streams got my Q4 looking nice. My VR clutch, acting like you seen this right here. You big all sus. Look, I just doubled up on crypto. New op out, give me the info, give me the bag quick. What I gotta be talking rent for, finna be giving all of that back. And then of my kinfolk, making the ends meet. Taking a meeting, then I sip slow. Shit bro, better tell me where the cash at. I been running around the city in the mad black, and they all look amazed like a lab rat. I'm like, whoa, know that I take them out like ice. She heard all my songs, she ain't know I'm white, I said